Once you have outlined the Mayflower with Sharpie, you are going to color in the bottom of the boat using a brown crayon. This acts as a barrier to not allow the watercolor to seep into the boat. You need to make sure that you cover every spot that should be wood brown. Once you've colored the bottom of the ship, make sure that you go up and color in the posts, and also the sails need to be colored in white. Now you can't see that they're white when you use the white crayon, but you will notice this later when you go in to add watercolor. It's very important that you color in the entire sail using the color white. This is so it stays white and the oil in the crayon will bounce off the watercolor. We will be using cool colors to paint the ocean. Cool colors are blue, green, and purple. You will see those colors in the ocean. Sometimes ocean water can be a mixture of blues and greens with a little bit of purple. So run that brush over the bottom of the paper with blue and green. If the paper gets too wet, you might need to dab it or dot it with a wet paper towel. You can go in and add streaks of purple through the water, or green, or blue. Make sure the water stays blue, green, or purple. Now for the background, you will be painting it red, yellow, and orange. Those are all warm colors. The reason we will be using warm colors for the sky is because the sky will look warm like a sunset or a sunrise. This will fill in the background. You can first start with red. And as you go into the red, make sure that the lines aren't really harsh and straight, but that you're blending those watercolors together so that the line doesn't look rough, that you blend those two colors together. So after you use red, you can add orange or yellow. You could do red, orange, yellow, or you could do the entire background with a yellow and adding orange hints inside of it. But you're kind of using your brush as if it were a pencil, and you always want to keep it wet. The wetter, the better. And as you go in, see how I'm blending those colors together so the lines don't look too harsh. And going in and blending. And don't paint directly over or on top of the sails. You want to stay away from them, but just in case the water does go in, we've already colored them white, so it won't be a problem. For cleanup, take the dirty water in the center, pour it out at the back sink, fill it up with clean water, wash your brush off, and return it back to the center of your paint.